If an issue arises with your window that's under warranty, there are going to be a couple of things that we need from you. So let's talk about that. First thing we're going to need is a picture of the entire window. I'm going to show you where this is and how to take it. And we're also going to need a picture of the specific problem. We're also going to need a picture of the identifying sticker so we know what to look at and what to order. So come on over. Let's say that you see fog between the panels of your double or triple pane window. We're going to need that picture of the whole window. Then we're going to need a picture of that specific problem. Now, there are labels on your window that identify that specific label, kind of like a VIN number on your car. So in order to get there, we're going to look up top for this guy right here. Make sure to disengage your locks, lower your top sash, and there's the label. Make sure to take a picture of the one with the identifying numbers, and we're going to show you what that is. And then, sometimes the warranty sticker may be in a different location, like this window right here. So what we want to do is disengage your locks, raise your bottom sash, push in your tilt mechanisms, and gently lay that bottom sash down just like that. Now we're going to lower the top sash. Grab that lift rail, lower it just a little bit, push in those tilt mechanisms, and there's your label.